I'm going to show you how to do post calibrations to your operational maps in the Operations Center web. So to get started, go up to the Analyze drop-down and choose Field Analyzer. So once your fields load, you can go ahead and start typing to find the field that you're looking for. Select it and it's going to load up the latest operational map that you have. So here we can see we've got 2020 corn harvest. Down below here on the calendar portion, we can change between different operations by selecting along the bottom bar, or we can go up in the upper left and choose the operation that we want to view from here. So if we go back to our 2020 corn seeding map, we can see right now we're looking at our as applied rate. We can also drop this down and see planned rates, our varieties, and our seeding speeds as well. So if we go back to our as applied rate, if we maybe put in the wrong crop type or the wrong variety and we need to make a change, we can go over to the pencil here on the left side above our agronomic data and select that. And then we've got several options for post calibrating and changing our data. So if we entered the wrong crop season, if we entered the wrong crop, or if we need to change one of the varieties that were planted on this field, we can do all of that from here. We can also adjust our overall area worked from this page. So once we make our changes, we can go ahead and save. This can also be done for your harvest map. So if you drop this down and go over to corn harvest, if we select the pencil again, we've got a couple additional options for harvest. So we can also still change our crop season, our crop type, but here we've got our total dry yields and our total wet weights for this entire field. So if we need to change those, down below here we've got some options, so we can enter what the correct total dry yield is, or we can drop this down and choose wet weight and enter our overall wet weight and the average moisture for the field. Again, we can change what our overall area worked is right here, or if you select edit field, you have the option to post calibrate your actual machine data. So if you had a couple combines in this particular field at the same time, and maybe each of them had a different calibration in the combine, you can adjust them so that they match. So here we can see this is our overall average dry yield for this machine. We can pull this bar here and edit it so that it's correctly reflecting what our totals were for that field for this machine. So once you're done, you can click done or cancel, and then you can save your post calibrations. So that's how you can come in and make edits and changes in Field Analyzer. So that is how you can edit and post calibrate your data in Field Analyzer. Thanks for watching.